student. Welcome to Geometry. Today we will learn an important result of a parallelogram theorem 3. Consider a parallelogram ABCD where AB is parallel to CD and BC is parallel to AD. Now we draw the two diagonals AC and BD and their intersect at point. The statement of the theorem: in a parallelogram, the diagonals of the parallelogram bisect each other. Given the two diagonals AC and BD of the parallelogram ABCD intersect each other at the point O. Prove A1 equal to OC and BF equal to OD. Prove in triangle AOD and triangle BOC, angle COD equal to alternate angle ACB because it is parallel to BC and AC is transversal. That is, angle OAB equal to alternate angle OCB. Angle AOD equal to opposite angle BOC. Since the two diagonals AC and BD intersect at the point O and AB equal to BC. So, angle AOD conjoined to angle BOC by OAS criteria of the congruence. So, A1 equal to OC and BA equal to OD, corresponding sides of the congruent triangles. Hence the theorem proved. In the next video, we will learn Parallelogram Theorem 4. For more geometry lesson, subscribe to Geometry. Thank you.